Hello students, today we are going to learn about responsibility in value education. This is Amita from Good Samaritan School. Last class we studied about freedom and independence. Do you know what is freedom and independence? Let us revise what is freedom. The choice to do good, to love, to respect the welfare of others. Freedom makes us responsible, self-creating. And we enjoy a lot of things in freedom. We have happiness, we have fun, we have friendship, we have joy, we have success, profit, victory. But freedom is equal to choice. Choice is equal to responsibility. That means with freedom, a lot of responsibilities are there. So, freedom and responsibility go hand in hand. The more freedom, the more the responsibility will be. Most people do not really want freedom because freedom involves responsibility and most people are frightened of responsibility. In responsibility, we have to take right decision or wrong decision. What is responsibility? Be accountable for your words and actions. Be in control of your own behavior. Think before you act. Consider the consequences. Do what you are supposed to do. We have to do things at right place, at right time, and we have to do right things. We have to take care of our belongings and we have to look after school resources. We have to focus on our learning and we have to manage ourselves and we have to make good choices. What does Bible says about responsibility? Every one of us will give an account of himself to God. It is written in Romans 14:12. Another Bible verse says in Galatians chapter 4, 5 and 6, pay careful attention to your own work, for then you will get the satisfaction of a job well done, and you won't need to compare yourself to anyone else, for each one is responsible for his own conduct. Let's see 6 steps to be a responsible person. First, we have to admit, we have to understand, we have to apologize, we have to make up, we have to promise, and we have to care for others too. What are the responsibilities of children towards their parents? So, you must study hard. You have to spend your allowance wisely. And you have to help in household as much as you can. So, we can help our parents by cleaning our dishes, by keeping our belongings in the right place. So, this is how we can take few responsibilities at home. Freedom of speech is not a license to abuse, it is a responsibility. When parents and elders tell us something to do, sometimes we talk back and abuse and we do not fulfill our responsibility. So, when we have got the freedom of speech, we can express in a good way. We should not be abusing, we should not be using bad words. What are our responsibilities in school? So as a student, what are your responsibilities? You enjoy a lot of freedom and rights in school. But let us see what are your responsibilities. In school, you need to obey school and classroom rules. You need to treat adults and peers with respect. You need to listen and not talk while teachers are teaching. You have to be prepared for class, participate in classroom activities and complete assignments given by the teachers. You should not distract others from learning. Take this pledge and repeat all the school responsibilities which you should be doing. I will follow all directions given by any school personnel. I will keep hands, feet and object to myself. I will not make rude gestures or talk in a disrespectful tone. I will respect school property and the property of others. I will be prepared for class and practice good work habits. Yes, so your responsibility in school is to listen carefully. You have to turn in your work and you have to check your work and you have to be neat. When you do activities in school, you have to keep your belongings safe and you have to keep your place safe. After doing activity, you have to clean up the mess. You need to be responsible during your robotic class, during your games or PT period, or during doing any assignment in the class. You all love being monitors. When you are chosen monitor, you feel proud. But with being monitor, you have lot of responsibilities. You have seen the monitors writing names on the blackboard, and you have seen that monitors they mind the class when teacher steps out of the class. So student monitors rub the blackboard and while collecting money from students they show their responsibility. And while going library, the monitors check other students that they are silently going to class, and during library also they should maintain silence. This is the responsibility maintained by the student. And the light monitor of class, he or she should switch off the light or fans while stepping out of the class. Another responsibility you have as a student that you should complete your homework given by the teacher. What is our responsibility for our nature? Nature gives a lot to us. Plants give us oxygen and it is free of cost. But what should we do to the nature and plants? We should plant trees and we have to take care of the earth. If we take care of the earth and the earth will take care of us. For elders, to vote is a responsibility. We should vote and we should not complain. Voting is not a liability, it is a responsibility to choose the right representative. Students, you have to do an activity and you have to make core will of responsibility. You have to write down the responsibilities in this core wheel, or you can also make bookmark and you can write to-do list. After finishing the work, you can put a tick mark and write done over there. So here you can see there are samples of activity. This is cut out core wheel where you are going to write your name or your father, mother, and then you can write the responsibilities done by each member at home. At the end, I would like to tell you a story. The four smart students. One night, four college students were partying late night and did not study for the test which was scheduled for the next day. So you can see here they were having test but they did not study. Instead of that, they were partying late night and they were not prepared for the test. In the morning, they thought of a plan. They made themselves look dirty with grease and dirt. Then they went to the dean and said they had gone out to a wedding last night and on their way back the tire of the car burst and they had to push the car all the way back. So they were in no condition to take the test. The dean thought for a minute and said they can have the retest after 3 days. They thanked him and said they will be ready by that time. On the third day, they appeared before the dean. The dean said that this was a special condition test. All four were required to sit in separate classrooms for the test. They all agreed as they had prepared well in the last 3 days. The test consisted only of 2 questions with the total of 100 points. First was your name for 1 point. Which tire burst? It was for 99 points. And 4 options were given. Number A, front left. Number B, front right. Number C, back left. Number D, back right. So, you could understand what these 4 students have written. So, the moral of the story is be responsible, else you too will learn your lesson. Thank you so much.